hindi ko din alam. Ano lang namin ko sa aming dalawa. Pero hello muna, magandang hapon po sa lahat ng mga nagmamahala naming advertisers. Thank you so much for supporting all our Kapamilya shows. We're very grateful to have you all here and in this room. And then, ayun, ano nga ba yun? Sobrang happy kami and grateful for the support that we're receiving sa buong, kung saan man kami probinsya pumunta. And we just had ASAP in California.
Yes, that's right.
Tapos, sobrang...
Mapapanood pa lang yung prod natin this Sunday.
Yes, this Sunday. Ang part 2 ng ASAP namin. So if you have time this Sunday, you can watch our part 2 ng ASAP California. Yun lang, sobrang kaming thankful and very happy with the support that we're getting from everybody.
For me, I would say it's unexpected. I'm sure a lot of you here would say it's unexpected.